For titanium framework printing process, use argon gas to protect the process. Arrange parts in FF nesting software. Print with 64 AI4V titanium. Heat in a furnace. Polish to finish. You will get high precise titanium framework. It weighs only half as much as cobalt chrome frames, lighter and comfier. Springy clasps that make a nice click when fitted, strong and long-lasting. If you desired a golden titanium framework, Fastform offers the whole solution. TO2 membrane not only makes titanium RPD beautiful, it has a strong antibacterial ability, excellent biocompatibility. At the same time, it prevents the release of metal ions in the RPD, making the patient taste better.